Welcome to apartment 103 at 899 Washington. Now this is our A1 floor plan, 500 square feet. Off the left-hand side, you'll have a pantry here. So you get quite a bit of shelving to work with off the entryway there. Kitchen on your right-hand side, you have two pantries here. Twelve cabinets and drawers to work with. Nice open bar top area that reaches out into the living room and a full working fireplace there. Air conditioning off the left-hand side as well with baseboard heating. And there's your secondary pantry here, just to give you a feel for what this looks like. As we pass through into the restroom on the left-hand side, you have two cabinets for below the sink storage. And then this large medicine cabinet to work with here. Moving onward into our living room space here. Pretty open living room space to work with in general. Bedroom on the left-hand side here. Now this bedroom is large enough to host any size bed that you'd be bringing with you, although a king-size bed might limit some of your nightstand space for you. Window attached as well, gives you a lot of great natural light throughout the bedroom. And then you do have this closet here on the end. Now this closet in particular is about 2.5 feet deep, somewhere around 7 feet wide. Now again, this is apartment 103 at 899 Washington.